So now I am moving to the second lecture on deadlock. So see here, the last video we have told what is deadlock and what are the essential conditions for deadlock. These are the four essential conditions for deadlock. So definitely deadlock is a problem. Okay, so in a two operating system, because the goal of the operating system in a multi-processing environment is how to successfully execute all the processes. But here, since we are facing, it is a situation. Okay, so this situation must be avoided. So we will avoid, operating system cannot avoid until unless we are not writing suitable algorithms and we are not fixing with the operating system. Already remember, these are discussed while writing the code for the operating system. They have decided there is a situation the deadlock may happen, so that's why they have already developed those things. So we are covering those algorithms how to resolve the deadlock situation. Okay, so now I'm moving to those things. Okay, so now see here, I'm writing the heading as here and the solutions to deadlock. So there are three solutions. Okay, so number one, I'm writing by 1, 2, 3. So first is deadlock prevention. So deadlock prevention. So this is easy, some protocol. Okay, and this deadlock prevention is nothing but a protocol. Okay, so rule and regulation to follow so that deadlock can be avoided or prevented. Number two is deadlock avoidance. Once deadlock, for example, a disease. So a disease can be cured by prevention. Okay, before the disease, and once the disease happened, okay, we need to avoid by some medicine. Okay, or no, here it is called preconditions to the deadlock. Okay, and this is what uh, not to happen, the deadlock not to happen. Okay, so it's called avoid, how to avoid. Okay, so let fever, the prevention to fever is don't okay, what is that, you need to prevent from cold. Okay, so cool water or something, if it is winter season, you need to be careful. Okay, so similarly, what is avoidance? Avoidance means warm. Okay, we need to make our room temperature uh, in a winter situation. Okay, as per our health, what is that, you can say requirement. Okay, we need to make our room temperature ready. So that's why this is called avoiding the problem. Okay, so this is deadlock avoidance. Okay, so how to avoid a deadlock? We need to write some algorithm, we need to fix with the operating system, so that operating system will make the surrounding uh, so that the deadlock will not be happen, surrounding will be safe. Okay, so avoidance. Okay, so some algorithms we need. Okay, so most popular algorithm, bankers algorithm, is utilized in this deadlock avoidance case. Okay, deadlock avoidance. And the third case is deadlock happened, so what to do that then after. Okay, so this is after case. So now you need to take the medicine. Okay, paracetamol for that if you have a fever. So deadlock, it is called detection and its solution. First you need to check up. Okay, whether you have a fever, which type of fever. Okay, whether it's malaria, okay, whether it's corona. So like that. So deadlock prevention, detection, and it's what cure, solution, and its solution, check up and its solution. So these three. So out of these three, first two are what? Before deadlock. Okay, so this is before deadlock. This is also before deadlock medicine. Sorry, temperature must be okay. Okay, then next is what? Deadlock detection and solution. Okay, so now I'm first covering deadlock prevention. Okay, so under this, these are nothing but some rules. Follow the rules, protocols, some protocols. I'm not writing, these are simply writing. Okay, these are the preventive protocol we need to follow. Protocols need to be followed by the operating system, not to uh, followed, need to be followed by, obviously, by the operating system. Okay, so now, so that deadlock will never happen. Okay, so that deadlock will never happen. Deadlock will never happen. Okay, so what is the protocol? It is the protocol hiding near to the cause of the deadlock. Okay, you can see, because these four are the cause to the deadlock. So the protocol we should or the rules we need to tell to the operating system how to avoid any one of the condition, not all four condition. Okay, remember, to have deadlock situation to arise, all four condition must satisfy at a time. So any of the condition we need to break by using the protocol. Okay, so what is the protocol? The protocol says avoid any one of the conditions of the deadlock. Okay, avoid, hold and wait. So number one, so I'm writing as A. Okay, so how to avoid? So this is avoid, you can say, or prevent from the first condition, any one of the condition. Okay, so preventive step from the first rule. What is that? Hold and wait. Prevent from hold and wait. So how hold and wait? We need to write certain protocol. Okay, so one process, if it is holding, okay, then it should not wait. Okay, or if it is waiting, then first it should release. Okay, so these are the protocol we need to write. Okay, prevent from hold and wait case. Okay, or condition. Okay, second condition similarly, second condition is same, prevent from any circular wait. Okay, they should not wait circularly. How to prevent from this? So it is B. Okay, how? Now we need to prevent from this something. Okay, prevent from circular wait. How to do this? Any guess? We need to arrange, or we need to give every process a number. Okay, we need to give every process a number. Okay, so let p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, like that. Okay, and what is the rule to prevent from circular wait? Let p1 is waiting for r2 and p2 is waiting for r3. Okay, and likewise the last process, let it is p5. P5 should not wait for r1. Again, it will not go to begin. Okay, it should not create a circle. Okay, the last should not wait for the first. In that way we need to manage. Okay, so prevent from circular wait. If process are given as unique number p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, and resources are given unique number as r1, r2, r3, r4, r5. Okay, so this case is called, what is that, enumeration of processes and resources. Okay, then the last process should not wait for the to the fast resource. Okay, so in this way you can prevent from the second case. Any one of the case, if you avoid, sorry, if we prevent, then we can say deadlock will be broken. Okay, so similarly the third case is what we should make. Okay, that is called what? Prevent from what is that called? No preemption. Okay, prevent from no preemption. It means we should allow preemption. Okay, prevent from no preemption. Okay, so we should allow preemption. How to allow preemption? We will make the process powerful by giving priority number. Okay, let any one of the process out of this p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, let p4 is powerful. If p4 has more priority than any other process, so p4 will never wait. Usually p4 waits for p5, sorry, resource r5. But if p4 has more priority, then p4 can forcefully take r5. Okay, and p4 will execute. Okay, so then if any one of the process will execute, there will be no deadlock. So prevent from no preemption. Likewise, if you allow preemption, or if you make any process as more powerful than other process, any one of the process, then this case will be prevented. Next is what? The fourth case. Now similarly, what is the protocol we'll write? The protocol is what? What is the fourth case number? Anyone tell? This is mutual exclusion. So we need to include that. Okay, there should be mutual inclusion. Okay, so prevent from okay, mutual inclusion. Sorry, mutual exclusion. It means we should allow mutual what is that? Inclusion. Okay, mutual inclusion of processes. So prevent mutual exclusion. Okay, how? Now allow mutual inclusion, so that two process at a time can share the resource. So these are the preventive steps or protocol. If any one of the protocol will be followed, any one, because this is the AND case. Okay, all are one means the out deadlock will happen. If any one will be zero means the deadlock will not happen. Okay, so in this way we can prevent from deadlock. So these is essential protocol. We know how to write. Okay, simply piece of code, write it as something you analyze. It's already given to the operating system. It is written, it is there, some script is running whenever you are starting your system. Okay, so and these scripts are avoiding, okay, or preventing. Next is what? Deadlock avoidance. Okay, so for deadlock avoidance we are following some algorithm. Okay, so here bankers algorithm we are following. Okay, bankers algorithm we are using. Bankers algorithm are using to avoid from deadlock. Okay, algorithm. So this will be discussed more, but you should know how many algorithms are there under bankers algorithm. So number one algorithm, so I'm putting here one A. Okay, there are two algorithms proposed by bankers. So one is banker safety algorithm. Okay, bankers safety algorithm. Okay, to make the system safe or make the processes all processes in a safety state. Okay, I'll explain more. So bankers safety algorithm. Okay, and the second one is number B. Again it is proposed by bankers. Okay, so bankers what is that? Resource request algorithm. Okay, so resource request algorithm. Okay, so what is the what is that usefulness of those two algorithm? Simply one on definition I'm telling, what bankers algorithm will make your system a state, their situation, okay, safety situation, so that uh, always, okay, if there is a chances of deadlock, then this algorithm will be followed by the operating system and will convert the deadlock situation to a safety situation. Okay, so through this algorithm. So okay, so if somebody will ask how to reach a safety state, how all the process will reach at safety state, then we need to follow this algorithm. Our OS have to follow this algorithm. Then next, this algorithm is telling what? Next algorithm, resource request. Whenever you are if a resource is requested by the process, okay, then we need to distribute the resource as per the algorithm to avoid the deadlock. Okay, so now I'm moving to this bankers safety algorithm. Okay, I'm sharing what is that the statement of this algorithm. Okay, I'm moving, just read it. The definition is bankers safety algorithm. I'm copying this as heading. Okay, to explain more. Okay, here as heading as bankers safety algorithm. Okay, so see here what is banker safety algorithm. You see here some of the statements I wrote or the algorithm is written here. 4 steps are there. Okay, so 4 steps are there. Okay, I'm making as heading.